Ear infections are a common problem for many pets, particularly dogs. But did you know that apple cider vinegar can help prevent and treat ear infections? In this video, we'll show you how to create a simple apple cider vinegar solution that can be used to clean your pet's ears safely and effectively. To make the apple cider vinegar solution, you'll need 1 part apple cider vinegar, 1 part water, a clean cloth or cotton balls. Mix the apple cider vinegar and water in a bowl. Dip a clean cloth or cotton ball in the solution and gently clean your pet's ears, being careful not to insert it too far into the ear canal. You can also use a dropper to apply the solution directly into your pet's ear. Gently massage the ear to distribute the solution, and then use a clean cloth or cotton ball to remove any excess liquid. Apple cider vinegar is a natural and effective way to clean your pet's ears and prevent infections. Its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help kill bacteria and soothe inflammation. However, if your pet has an existing ear infection, it's important to consult with your vet before using apple cider vinegar, as it may not be suitable for all cases. We hope this helps keep your pet's ears healthy and clean. If you want more apple cider vinegar information, read the description down below. Or watch this next video on the right.